Make a great choice today with the 2021 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.